I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search for Gmail and we click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.